How's it going, guys? How's it going? Another episode from your friendly guys and friendly faces here at Carphonics. Nice to see ya. How you doing today? Something I wanted to talk about briefly with you guys here is electronic rust control modules. Big topic. It's a huge topic at your dealership when you're going to go buy a brand new car. And I want to talk to you about it, and I want to tell you why you shouldn't buy one, because they're absolutely useless, especially in today's market where every single vehicle is a unibody car or unibody vehicle that is being glued together. You may be asking yourself, why is this important? Why is he talking about cars being glued together? Well, let me tell you why right now. You guys ready for that? All right, guys. So take a look at this thing here. You see this little doodad flashing away here. This is by no means an advertisement for Diamond Kote, but they are one of many different companies that offer these rust control modules. And not in just this particular case here, but this truck is made out of aluminum. And the electrical conductivity of this vehicle, especially even though it is a framed truck, the majority of the body and the bed is also aluminum, and that is isolated by rubber completely, and as well as the cab of the vehicle is isolated by rubber bushings and mounts that go on the frame of the vehicle down here, and they mount to the body. And when these vehicles are being assembled, they're glued together. So I want you to think about that for a second in your mind. When two panels are being glued together, what is holding the panels together is the glue. So if there's glue between those panels, I want you to ask yourself, how exactly is that electroconductivity between, say, a fender that's pre-painted before it's installed, or it's installed but then glued on? I want you to ask yourself, how do you think that these electrodes that they install on these vehicles will conduct electricity between the fender Really interesting, guys. You guys see what I see here? These things are supposed to prevent corrosion and rust. And the interesting thing about this vehicle is that these are glued on with double-sided tape on a painted surface. Ask yourself this in your mind. When you're at the dealership and they're offering you this Diamond Kote warranty as part of your deal, and they are actually probably charging you upwards of $300 to $400 to $500 for this warranty, I want you to ask yourself, how come the only part of the vehicle that's rusting or corroding is in fact the rust control module itself? I don't know, guys, but if I was you, and I hope that you're listening to this message, and again, I'm not trying to bash any of the electronic coating module manufacturers out there, because in theory, if they stuck that thing to a painted surface, I don't know how the hell this is going to work, but if they stuck it to a painted surface, say on a fender, which is then bolted to the unibody of the vehicle, and let's say they did it right. Let's say that they took off some of the paint on the fender and then stuck that thing on the fender. How is the electricity going to get from a point here, which is bolted on, that's painted, to the rest of the vehicle? Interesting. You have to ask yourself this. So this isn't the first time that I've seen this. I've seen this for a lot of years. I've been doing this for a really long time. Okay? It's a sham. Don't buy it. Don't waste your money. It's an absolute waste of your time and your money. Money is important, guys. You know what you do if you live in a place that has salt and corrosion and crap on the roads, is you go spend that money and get it Krown Rust Proofed. There's an advertisement for you. You want to get somewhere that actually does something for your vehicle in Canada, or in a salt belt, or any place that you live that is applying salt or stuff to the roads when it's snowing outside or when it gets icy outside. You want your money to be well spent, go spend $100 or $200 over at Krown and get your vehicle crown rust controlled, and that's what's going to save your vehicle. Certainly not one of these rust modules here. Look at it blinking away. Isn't that hilarious? Even, when they install it on the frame of the vehicle, again, it's the only part of the vehicle that's corroding. Ask yourself these very important questions, guys. It's important to know. You're in the know. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, turn on that bell notification, and subscribe to Carphonics, because if you don't, you won't get to hear cool shit like this. Have a great day, guys.